start. So homework this time. Homework this time. Let me open the homework.
Now, Odla.
Okay, sure.
Panchami vibhakti sarvanama padane visheshya visheshana bhavaha akarmaka dvikarmaka sakarmaka dhavatah. Yushmat shabdah vibhakti 1 to 5. Hari shabdah vibhakti 1 to 5. Guru shabdah vibhakti 1 to 5. Shashti vibhakti prayogaha. So write a question using kim shabdah in all three vachanani. Write an answer to each using Yushmat Shabdaha. Total 15 sentences.
Okay. So can we, Vijayji, can we display that?
I'm on mobile. Sorry.
Oh, okay. I'll do it.
Sorry.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's visible now.
So Kim Shabda in all the 5 vibhaktis, in all vachanas, and write an answer to each of the following in Yushmat Shabda. It is similar to what was given last time. Last time was Asmad, I think. This time Yushmat.
Like, could you give example of the last time one? Like, I haven't done that homework yet.
Neither have I. And I'm finding it so difficult, maybe because I missed the class. So,
Okay.
totally
One
lost.
question, Meera Mohoday, one question I have.
Hmm.
In questions for all the vibhaktis will be the same we did in the last one, right?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
The questions in Kim, no? Will be what we already did in the last one, right?
Correct. It will be the same questions.
Okay. Yeah.
It will be the same questions in all vibhaktis, all vachanas. It will be the same question.
Okay.
Answer
Only
will be in
answer
Yushmat.
in Yushmat. Okay.
Okay.
Yushmat. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Yushmat. Last time it was Asmad.
Asmad, yeah.
This time it is Yushmat. Like for example, last time it was same Kim Shabda. If you start with your Prathama Vibhakti, what will be the Kim Shabda for Prathama Vibhakti?
Would it be like Sahaka?
Kaha. Correct. Kaha. Or Ka. Or Kim.
Sorry, Kaha.
Kaha kauke.
Kaha
Kaha kau ke for pullinga,
Ka ke kaha.
for
Yes, yes,
strilinga,
Hmm.
Kim
and
ke
kim ke kani for
Napunsa.
napumsakalinga.
Hmm.
Right?
Yes.
So, but
So
then
you
if
have,
we- sorry.
sorry,
Mira Mohoday,
sorry.
one question. In
Huh.
Asmad, it was Trishu Lingeshu, which means only one answer for all the. But for Yushmad, we will have to write separate for each one, right? Pulinga, Strilinga.
Asmad also,
No, Asmad was same,
Asmad
no?
also, it had three, no? Aham, ava. How? Aham, avam, vayam. It will be
No, no, that
three, but all it, for all the lingas, it will be,
Same.
it is all the lingas, Trishu Lingeshu, but then there are three. For one person, that is if I am
Correct,
aham, avam, vayam. Two and all,
correct.
vayam. Similarly,
That is clear,
Yushmad
but-
also, Yushmad is you. So, tvam, yuvam,
Yuvam,
yuyam.
Okay.
Same like Asmad. And this is also Trishu Lingeshu only.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. I hope I'm clear. You just
I would like you to just give an example, Meera Mahodaya, please.
see, if I'm last time's homework, if I'm talking about last times, because
Okay.
Prashant Mahodaya asked,
And I too am totally.
you can ask Tvam Kaha.
Okay.
Tvam Kaha.
Okay.
And answer will be Aham. Whatever your name is,
Yeah.
Prashanta, or Aham, Sukanya.
Yeah.
Irrespective of Linga, you can use Aham.
Yes. Okay.
Aham can be Sukanya Mahoday, Aham can be Prashant Mahodaya, whoever it is, irrespective. But when you're asking question, it will be Tvam Kaha. Who are you?
Okay.
So you will ask in Tvam and answer will be in Aham.
This is what I wanted to get clear.
Also, Mahodaya, you can say kaha pustakam patati, kau pustakam patataha, ke pustakam patataha, patantaha. So you say aham pustakam patami, avam pustakam patavaha, vayam pustakam patamaha. If you do that way for all five vibhaktis answer, it is easier.
Yes.
That's what I felt it, Sukanya Mahodaya.
Thank you so much, Mahodaya. You are such help. That is
No, because
excellent.
when same thing I had problem like aham tvam kaha, like just only one word and I'm like, oh my God, I'm not going anywhere. When Meera Mahodaya started to talk, and then in the last tutorial, suddenly I said, oh, okay, let's do this. And Meera Mahodaya continued it. So it was very, very nice.
Yes.
So I got it and I'm done.
Yeah, you can either make it simple by asking who are you, I am so and so, or you can say like I am doing this. What are you doing? I am doing this. What are you people doing? Two people doing? We are doing this. So you can explain with respect to action also.
Okay. Thank you, Mahodaya. This was great help. Let me try now. I haven't attempted the last one, homework yet.
So continue. Second example, Bhagya Mahodaya, can you explain the second example similarly?
Dvitiya vibhakti, kam, kam, kau, ke, kan, kaha. I put pullinga, strilinga. Then I put saha, kam, pashyati. So saha, mam, pashyati. Saha, avam, pashyati. Saha, asman, pashyati.
Is it clear?
Yes. Okay, Mahodaya. Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yes, I thought we have to use aham for everything. We have to keep saying aham, like, okay, vriksham pashyati, that way I have.
Pashyami. Aham pashyami.
Yeah, aham pashyami, sorry. Yeah, that's
No,
aham has to be used when it is in the prathama vibhakti.
Yeah. Okay, aham is for prathama.
And also, Mahodaya, what I did put it first line like kaha, kau, ke, ka, ke, kaha, kam, ke, kan. Then
Kim,
also
ke,
I put
kani.
it aham, I'm sorry. Why? Oh, I didn't use an apumsakalinga. I could have. I didn't put
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So what I did, aham, avam, vayam. That's my first answering when I'm putting. Then I answered it. My second one, I put it mom, ma, avam, now, asman, naha. Because it has dvi one, right? So and then I answered it. If
Could you
do
give the
that-
example of mom, which you wrote?
Yeah, I put it saha kam pashyati.
What is he saying? He's saying me.
So saha mam pashyati.
He's saying me.
Ah,
So me is in the karma padam form.
Right,
yes,
mom,
yes.
right. And then I put it like saha avam pashyati, saha asman. You can put anything like balakaha, janakaha,
Balakaha, you can add for
whatever
saha,
you want.
it can be
Janakaha,
balakaha.
the other
Balika.
one is shishuhu mam pashyati,
Yeah.
shishuhu avam pashyati. You can use anything.
Yes, yes.
Yuvakaha, kau,
Yes.
yuvakaha kan namati, yuvakaha asman namati.
But
Whom
yeah,
is the
yeah.
yuvakaha, doing salutations? Yuvakaha is doing salutations for all of us. So it will be asman.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So any doubts regarding this? Anything which pops up?
Tritiya
please?
vibhakti.
Like Namti
Yeah.
doesn't take any special form, or I don't remember. Or Namti.
Namati. Yeah, that's why I
Namati.
don't. Yeah.
Namati is namati, as it is namati.
Namaha takes the special form. Namati,
Ah, okay.
no.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. That's
Right,
fine.
Namati
Mahodaya?
is the verb form of saluting.
Yes, yes,
Right.
yes, yes. Now, because we did this
Naman
Shivaya
karoti
Namaha,
is
and
namati.
then yeah.
Yeah, Chaturthi Bhakti, right, right.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Now I was just confused
Yeah.
with that.
Okay. So use pashyati, pruchati, namati, any of these things. Don't use general verbs like sravati or those verbs. You cannot make aham shabdas in that.
Okay.
Mom, it should be something related to asking, telling, like that. You can't even use khadati. Khadati means eating me. It will not happen.
Mam Kadati.
So it
That's why
can't
they said
happen.
Akarmaka
So
Sakarmaka.
you should understand the context and use it.
Okay.
Sukanya
Okay.
Mahodaya, why don't you do Tritiya Vibhakti?
Tritiya vibhakti. Okay, Tritiya is
Is it
Maya
okay,
avabhyam.
Meera Mahodaya?
Yeah, fantastic.
Maya avabhyam asmabhihi is that asmat shabdah, and for Kim it will be in Pullinga, it will be kena kabhyam kaihi. So it will be so a question for kena will be kena tvam kena likhati. Can I say that?
Yes.
Tvam kena likhati.
It can be said. Likhati should be whatever he is using should be kena means in Pullinga shabda only. It cannot be lekhani.
Oh, okay.
So if it is lekhani, you can't use kena.
Kena I cannot use. Okay, lekhani.
Okay, so it can be, and you need not write tvam, as Bhagya Mahodaya said, use any noun forms like vriddha kena saha chalati. Vriddha is going with whom?
Okay, kena saha.
Saha, kena saha chalati. Vriddha maya saha chalati. He is going with me.
Okay.
Gachati or Pruchati, anything.
Chati, anything.
Okay.
So it
Okay.
should like with whom, and it's used as an instrument. With what?
With what? Yeah.
With whom? Like that.
Ramena saha. Okay.
Okay.
Balakena saha gachati. Mitraha balakena saha gachati.
So kena saha. If you have the
No,
answer
you
in
need to
mind
use,
like
Asma
balakena, so you can put mitraha kena saha gachati.
Gachati. Mitraha kena saha gachati.
Here you don't have to write the answer.
Okay.
Okay, have the question and answer in mind and use that for the formation of questions.
Question. Okay.
So what is the answer, Mahodaya?
For Maya, right?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
you said kena saha gacchati, no? For that, what is the answer?
Kenas mitra.
No,
Prayas-
Asma Shabda Prayogam Karoti,
Mitra.
Mahodaya.
Asmat shabda.
Maya.
Use.
Balakah Maya saha gacchati.
Correct.
Samyak, Mahodaya.
Correct.
Dhanyavad.
Dvivachana?
Dvivachana.
Dvivachana will be balakah avabhyam saha gacchati.
What will be the question?
A
Kim
question
shabda.
will be balakah kabhyam saha gacchati.
Correct.
And the next question will be balakah kaihi saha kaihi
Kaihi saha gacchati.
gacchati. And the answers would be balakah avabhyam saha gacchati.
Kaihi.
For the avabhyam it will be that. For kaihi it will be asmabhihi saha
Asmabhihi.
gacchati.
Got it right?
Got it. Now I'm clear.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
so much. I can't thank both of you so much.
No, that's okay, Mahodaya. Chaturthi.
We are also learning.
Chaturthi, Prashant Mahodaya, why don't you say?
Yeah, you
Which one?
try.
Hmm.
Prashant Mahodaya, do you have a table next to you? Do you have a table?
Which one? Like
Chaturthi Vibhakti, Kim
Asmat.
Shabda and Asmat Shabda. Do you remember the words?
Kim like
For Pullinga.
it would be Ramai. It would be
What
then
will be Kim Shabda? Kim.
Kaya. It would be Kaya.
Pullinga.
Pulling.
Pullinga. Kasmai.
Tasmai.
Kasmai.
Kasmai. Kasmai Gurave Namaha. Tasmai Gurave Namaha.
Kasmai Gurve Namah.
Gurave. We learnt the Guru Shabda last time. Plural of Guru is Gurave.
Yes, Kasmai. But Kasmai, I don't remember. Like, how do you?
Guravaha.
How do you?
Kasmai. For whom?
For whom? From whom do you like? Do you do the namaskar? Kasmai.
Balakaha Kasmai Namati.
Balka Kasmai Ramti. Balka. It would be then Aham ka Mayam.
Maihyam. Maihyam.
Balka Mayam Namati.
Maihyam.
Mahyam.
Mahyam.
Namati.
And then Balkaha Avabhyam Namati. And then Balkaha Asmabhyam.
So what are the questions? Kabhyam, Kebhyah.
Kebhyah. And like the K1 I don't remember very well.
Yeah,
But today
yeah.
I learned this Avabhyam, so I remember it.
Yeah. Kasmai, Kabhyam, Kebhyah.
Balkaha Kebhyai Namati.
Kebhyah.
Kebhyah.
Kebhyah. And Dvivachana? Kabhyam.
Ramebhyai. Yes. Kebhyai Namati. Yes.
So Dvivachana will be?
Dvivachana would be like Kabhyam.
Correct. So that's it. That's it.
Great, Mahoday, Bhanu Mahoday, Bhagya Mahoday, and both of you. My God, thank you, Neera.
No,
I'm so happy
absolutely
that I was
fine.
able, this is clear from my head.
There is
It was such a
one
mental
thing-
block.
One thing like what I want to ask is like how to find out. I don't know, like if you can show me on like on the screen. Like if we have to like find out the root word of like
Namati.
Gachati, we say like Gach is the root word.
Namati.
Like how to find that, and then like what we did in one of the homework. I don't remember. It was 38th or I haven't done that homework still. I haven't done lots of homework.
It's okay.
I don't know if I'm clear.
Hmm.
Namatika, for example, it would be nam
Nam.
and
Nam dhatu.
Nam.
nam dhatu. Yes, dhatu. How to like find the dhatu and
Is this the one, Mahodaya, Vijay Mahodaya, ashtadhyayi.com?
Yeah, you can use Ashtadhyayi, right?
like we were given the link of 2-3 websites from there, like we could find it, but I haven't done that because
No, this is Narayanan Mahodaya's laptop. I have no idea where he has saved things. I
Okay.
don't know.
No, we are still seeing the homework slide only.
You're still seeing homework slide. Huh? Okay.
I mean, let's finish this Mahodaya, because in the real homework we
Okay.
do have the find out the dhatu and pratipadika.
1 minute.
Oh,
in this one also.
Okay, it's okay. Since we'll get back to that route later.
No,
we will,
no problem. Yes, we'll carry
we
on
will
this.
finish the homework. Homework, you get back to homework.
Yes.
Get back to this itself. Homework. Yeah. Oh, why is it YouTube? Display the screen now. Stop share. We have to get back
One
to
thing
it.
apart, like what we are doing, you do like retreats also, yoga retreats, or
Yeah. Why is it coming like this? You're able to see the screen now?
No,
No.
share.
You have to share, okay. Yeah. Now I guess you're able to see.
Yeah.
no, yes.
Okay.
No,
So the
visible.
same thing is done for Yushmad also. Panchami we didn't do. Try Panchami also. Panchami Vibhakti.
mat avabhyam asmat.
In what context? How will you use Mat Shabda?
Mat shabda
What would be the
is
Kim Shabda for Mat?
from it is, no? Mat is from.
So what will
it
be
will
the Kim
be-
Shabda?
Kim
For
shabda
mat.
will be kasmat,
Kasmat for Pullinga.
pullinga. For strilinga, it will be kasyaha.
Hmm.
Kasyaha. So I have the table with me. Without the table, I can't.
That's okay. But if you know how to use it, that's enough. You use the tables that when you continuously practice, you'll get it.
Okay.
But you should know how to use it because you get confused by the questions. That is what I'm trying to clear. Like, Kim Shabda, use all the Kim Shabdas because it has, variations in Strilinga, Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Kim Shabda has variations.
Yes.
Whereas when you see Asmad and Yushmad, because they are Trishulingeshu, you can use the lingas irrespective of,
Yeah.
the questions.
Okay.
So that is
Okay.
clear. So fifth vibhakti will be from where, like, the separation is happening. So
Yes, yes.
the question can be like Sita Kasmat Purva Bhavati or Mala Kabhyam Bibeti. Bibeti is getting scared. Getting scared from whom?
Mm.
So Bibheti is one of the things what you can use for Panchami. Okay.
Huh.
And you can use Shreshtaha, like Balakaha Kebhyaha Shreshtaha. Who is Balaka is Shreshta to whom? From whom? You can say Balakaha Asmat Shreshta. From us he is Shreshta.
Okay.
Comparison. When you are saying Para, Purva, Shreshta, all that you use Panchami Vibhakti.
Yes.
Even Swikaroti, right?
Swikaroti. Yeah.
Swikaroti.
Yeah. Dadati will
Meera
be
Mahoday,
four.
one question. Now, okay, for Asmat, it's clear. Now, same thing if we are doing it in the Madhyama Purusha.
Yushmat. Tvam.
Yeah. So suppose the question is the same. Bhikshukah, I had written Bhikshukah kasmat annam svikaroti. Okay. Now, when we have to answer that in Madhyama Purusha using Yushmat, so we have to say from Tvam. In there we said Mat Bhikshukah Mat annam svikaroti, right? Now here we have to say Bhikshukah Tvam annam svikaroti, is it?
No, from you.
Yeah. Oh, this should be in fifth vibhakti of Madhyama Purusha,
Is
right?
From you
Tvat.
is what?
Tvat.
Tvat. The table is different for Tvam. Tvam,
Okay.
I'll tell you, write down the table. I'll tell you the table. Is it there given in the slides? Yeah. It is
should be because
Tvam,
it is in the
Yuvam,
class.
Yuyam.
Yeah, it is in the slide.
It's in the slide, no?
It is in the slide.
Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman,
Yushman.
Tvaya, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabihi, Tubhyam, Yuvabhyam, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhyam, Yushmabhyam, Tvat, Yuvabhyam, Yushmat.
Yes.
The
Okay.
fourth one, you should be a little careful because there are certain mastras. Tubhyam, okay? The fourth vibhakti, Tubhyam, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhyam.
Okay.
Yes.
Vijay Menon Mahoday, what was your question? Could you repeat the question again?
No, I am saying that same thing to be answered in Yushmat.
No,
Yes.
no, that I understood. But what was your question? Could you repeat Bhikshuk, like what you said?
No, I said Bhikshukah kasmat annam svikaroti.
From
Okay,
whom
okay,
is
yeah. From
Bhikshukaha
these accepting.
receiving the food? So Bhikshukaha to Bhyam, sorry, Tvat, from
Tvat.
you, Tvat, Panchami Vibhakti. So
Tvat,
Tvat
okay.
is
Annam
the
svikaroti.
word there. Tvat,
Okay.
Annam Svikaroti.
Yeah, now
From you.
Okay.
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 Okay. Clear.
One example could be another example. Can I try this one?
Yeah, please.
It can be balakah kasmat sanganakam svikaroti. Then it will be balakah tubhyam.
Not Tubhyam. Tvat, fifth
Tvat,
Vibhakti, Svikaroti is always fifth, no? From whom is somebody receiving?
Receiving. Okay. Tvat
Sanganakam
Sanganakam
Svikaroti.
Svikaroti.
Provided when you are saying Kasmat, you are
using
this thing is
Panchami.
Pullinga. You are referring to a male person.
Pullinga. Yes. Boy.
If it is Kasyaha, it is Trilinga. But the answer doesn't matter because answer is Trishulingeshu.
Okay.
But if you are having in mind, you are asking somebody who is a Pullinga person, then you refer to as like Kasmat. From whom is...
So if it is Balika also, if it is Balika, then we just write the Balika. Balika Kasmat only. No.
Balika, Balakaha doesn't matter. Balaka or Balika is receiving from somebody doesn't matter. That is not a problem. From whom is she or he receiving? Is it from a male or a female? Depending on that, the question will be asked.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Answer can be in all the, I mean, it will fit all the lingas. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because this is Trishulingeshu.
Okay.
But the question you have to specify Kasmat, Kasyaha.
Kasyaha, Kasmat.
And for Dvivachana, it is same for all.
Okay.
Kabhyam.
Kabhyam.
And for, Bahuvachana, it will be different.
Yushmabhyam.
It will be Kebhyaha, Kabhyaha, no?
Kabhyaha. Kebhyaha.
Kabhyaha.
Kabhyaha.
Am I right?
Kebhyaha,
Am I right?
Kabhyaha. Correct. Kebhyaha, Kabhyaha. This is for Pullinga is Kebhyaha and Kabhyaha is for Strilinga.
So this you have to be particular when you're writing questions.
Okay.
Answers doesn't matter. Answers you can give because it fits all the lingas.
Okay, got it.
You have to just see Ekavachana, Bahuvachana. That's all.
Vachana and Ekavachana. Okay.
If it is a Ekavachana question, answer in ekavachana. If it is a dvivachana, watch answer in dvivachana.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
want more examples?
That's okay. I think somewhere it is little, at least some clarity.
Yeah.
We'll try.
So you can use like that. Kasmat, kasyaha. If you are asking Janani, kasyaha dhanam swikaroti. Kasyaha means from a lady or a female she is receiving. And if it is Yushmat Shabda, Asmat Shabda, you know exactly it is you or somebody, second person. So you have to answer with respect to that. You will say either with respect to yourself will be aham, avam, vayam, that table. With respect to Madhyama Purusha will be tvam, yuvam, yuyam.
Yeah.
And that till Panchami Vibhakti, what has been given, you should pick that and write. That's all.
Got it.
For Panchami, use Panchami. For Chaturthi, use Chaturthi forms like that.
For the Prathama Vibhakti, the question, can I write like Adhyapika ka and Tvam Adhyapika? The answer will be Tvam Adhyapika. Will it be correct or?
Adhyapika ka.
Oh,
Who is
Mahoday,
that? You are asking for
Yushmat Sabda.
Mahoday,
who is the Adhyapika? Who is the Adhyapika? Adhyapika is you. Something like that?
Yeah.
Adhyapika is you. Who is the Adhyapika? Adhyapika. Okay.
So, or should I have to write aham ka tvam adhyapika or like that? I should do, or how is the question for Prathama Vibhakti?
Who am I? You Adhyapika. Doesn't make sense, right?
So, yeah, the answer will be like you are, no?
When that person is asking, correct.
Sahaka.
Aham ka tvam adhyapika. Correct. When that person, if like, for example, I am asking somebody, who am I?
Yeah.
And that person is telling me you are an Adhyapika. Makes sense.
Meera Mahoday, then you can ask, kaha Adhyapika? Kaha Adhyapika? You can ask like
kaha
that.
You can't ask. No?
Adhyapakaha.
Adhyapakaha. Prathama Vibhakti you should match.
Kaha Adhyapakaha or kaha Adhyapika or ka Adhyapika. Ka Adhyapika.
Correct.
Then you can say Tvam Adhyapika.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm asking. Okay.
Then you want.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Next.
Mahoday, you can also write it kaha pustakam patati tvam pustakam patasi.
Yeah, you can use karma padam also for Prathama Vibhakti, not a problem.
Tvam patam patasi, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Who is teaching the patham lesson? You are teaching the lesson.
Yeah, right. Kaha patayati tvam patayasi.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all.
All right.
And same thing with respect to Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. For what will be the question for Dvivachana? Sukanya Mahoday or one of you attempt?
Yes.
In Prathama Vibhakti, what will be the question?
Kau patham. So it will be, will it be C or will that change is what I'm thinking.
You are asking in Prathama Vibhakti. So
Prathama Vibhakti Pullinga Shabdaha. Kau patham Patha.
What is the verb? What is the kriya padam for two people?
Patati.
Patataha.
Patataha.
Patataha. Patatha. Patatha. Patatha.
Answer madhyama purusha. How will you answer?
Answer kau patham.
Yuvam patam.
Yuvam patham patatha. Patatha. Then the next one would
What patataha? Is it the alpa pranatha or mahapranath?
the tha that is like this. The tha.
Mahaprana.
Mahaprana.
Yeah, Mahaprana.
The answer is Mahaprana.
Correct.
Ke patham patatha.
No.
Just tha without the visarga.
What
Then-
tha is it? Is it alpa prana or mahaprana? Alpa prana. That's-
Alpa prana.
Mahodaya, you need to say Ke Patam Patanti, not Patatha.
Patanti.
Sitaha tha.
Patanti.
Patanti.
Ke Patam Patanti.
Patanti.
Answer.
Answer also is
Yuyam.
mahaprana without
Yuyam.
visarga.
Okay.
Yuyam.
Patham patatha.
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 It is patati. Patati. Patataha. Patanti.
Patati taha and anti.
Anti.
Patanti.
Then patasi. Patathaha. Patatha. Pathami. Pathavaha. Pathamaha.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So madhyama, match it like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. This is clear, no? Yushmad, I think we can do it, right?
Yes, now it's
Yeah.
pretty clear.
Similar to your previous homework, you have to just do the Yushmad Shabda. That's all. Like you are asking for the second person, you have to get the answer. Whatever questions you are asking, it's for the second person and you get the answers from the second person. Okay. Earlier it was Uttama Purusha. For the third person. Uttama Purusha. Okay.
Yes.
Next. On slide 20, there are 5 Pratipadikani of Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Using any Pratipadikam for the first 5 Vibhaktayaha Sambodhana Prathama in all Vachanani. 18 sentences. On slide 20, there are 5 Pratipadikani of Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda sentences using any Pratipadikam for the first 5 Vibhaktaya Sambodhana Pratima in all the Vachanani. Okay, including Sambodhana, you should write. That means 6 sentences. And all Vibhaktis. That's quite a lot.
Oh, it's a very simple, Mahodaya. Simple.
Okay.
Ikaranta Pullinga. How? How, Mahodaya? Simple.
How do I open this slide deck?
Sambodhana.
Open preview.
Mahoday, you can just click on that. Click on the slide deck.
I clicked on it. I get
Then
this.
click that 47. Click near that 47. Down.
Okay.
No, not inside. Up. On the
Oh,
title.
here.
Yeah,
Okay. I usually keep that small window open, so I'm not aware of this.
You can click this. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is big screen. Okay. Okay. So you go to the slide number.
No, that one. It's not.
Yeah, 20, no? Here it goes. Okay, this is the slide. Ravi, Kavi, Muni, Vidhi. So you have to make 5 sentences here, or how is it, Bhagya Mahoday?
Yeah. Choose any Shabda, Ravi, Kavi, Muni, Vidhi, Atava, Hari. Right, 18. Like
And make sentences in all vibhaktis.
5 vibhaktis plus Sambodhana.
Plus Sambodhana. That's it. You can choose Hari and do it fast. Somebody wants to try? There is no Kim Shabda here. Direct sentences.
Harihi.
Harihi
kutra gacchati.
That's why I said no Kim Shabda, just direct sentences. Harihi gacchati.
Harihi gacchati.
Then Harihi gacchataha.
Mandiram gacchati.
Harayaha gacchanti.
Right, that. Yeah.
That's it. Next.
It's easy. Yes.
Yeah. Balakaha harim patam patahayati. Or Shikshakaha harim patam patayati.
Adhyapakaha harim picchataha.
Yeah. Shikshakaha hari patam. Shikshakaha hari patam patati. Shikshakaha patati only. It will depend. Patati depends only on the karta.
Karta, right.
Patati won't change with Hari Shabda. And then Shikshakaha Hareen means many Haris. Hareen Patam Patayati.
Patayati.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, that's yeah, it's simple. Correct. E Hare. Kutra gacchati. Oh Hari, where are you going? Then you can make a Hari.
I have to go out around.
E Hare kutra gacchati.
Yeah, I think we can do this, right?
I can choose any one of the things, or I have to write for everything?
For everything you have to write.
Also for Hari, for Ravi, and
no. One for all vibhaktis.
One for all.
I can choose one, right? Out of
one word for all vibhaktis.
Yeah, all vibhaktis plus Sambodhana.
Yeah.
So till Panchami, Shashti, all Saptami and Sambodhana also.
No, Saptami. Only,
only Panchami and Sambodhana. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what I
Now what? Bhavani Mahodaya, mute yourself, no?
Schools, running taxis, all that stuff.
Bhavani Mahodaya is, yeah. Next. Next slide. It's the same?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Slide number?
Yeah,
Slide
Ukarant Pullinga.
Ukarant.
Next one, Mahoday, slide 21.
Okay. Guru Shabda.
Yeah.
Okay. Same thing with Guru. Make sentences with Guru.
Guru or Shambhu, Atava Vishnu, Atava Bhanu.
Yeah, Bhanu.
You can mix and match also, right? It doesn't have to be all one word.
I didn't get you.
Can you make some sentences with Guru and some with
yeah. Absolutely.
Okay. All right.
You can.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that actually makes it interesting also. Yeah.
Yeah. You have a little more ways to do stuff. Yeah.
Yes.
A little more variety of sentences.
Correct.
Hopefully.
True. Next, what is the other homework? I'll get back to that slide.
Yeah. Then,
Oh,
Subhashitam.
Shubhashitam. Mhm.
Okay.
सुभाषितं बहु सरलम् अस्ति महोदय.
Yes, yes, very saralam.
This touch doesn't work, is it? Huh? Touch screen doesn't work. Okay.
Mhm.
So udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi na hi suktasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. In this following subhashitam, identify the kriyapadam, kriyapadani, namapadani cha. For each kriyapadam, identify its dhatuhu, purushaha, vachanam, lakaraha cha. For each namapadam, identify its pratipadikam, lingaha, vachanam, vibhaktihi cha. So who wants to try? Kriyapadam. What is kriyapadam here? Kriyapadani, one or many?
Siddhyanti and pravishanti.
Okay. Siddhyanti, pravishanti. Yeah. Then for kriyapadam, identify its dhatuhu. Siddhyanti, what is the dhatu?
I have to look that up. I don't know.
Yeah, even I have to look that up. Siddha. Yeah, siddha. Something with
is it
halanta.
Siddha?
Siddh.
Yes.
Prapyati. Prapsyati. I don't know. Pravishanti.
Because it's pra, right? It's a
Pra.
upasarga.
Yeah. Vish shabda for pravishanti. I don't know. It cannot be wish. Okay, we will find out that.
Yeah.
You want to find out now itself? We can do it. You have Ashtadhyayi, in your this thing. Can you show me? Ashtadhyayi. Siddhyanti and pravishanti. Okay.
Yeah, it is siddh. Siddhyati, siddhyataha, siddhyanti.
What is the dhatu?
Siddh. Siddh.
Siddh. Then pravishanti?
No,
What
just
is the
C
dhatu?
and the. Halanta the.
It is Mahaprana dha or Ashtaprana?
Mahaprana.
It's
Mahaprana dha.
DH, yeah.
Yeah. And then pravishanti, what? Look for vishanti.
Just a second, I'm still looking up Pravishanti.
Pravishanti, actually, pra is the upasarga as she was mentioning.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So you may have to look at vishati, vishataha, vishanti, that. So what is the dhatu for vishati?
It's Vish.
Wish.
Yeah.
So then it will be
Vish.
Pra plus Vish. It's the shell with a circle like a raw.
what is the meaning given there? Wish, what is the meaning?
To enter.
That is the correct thing. Pravishanti is to enter.
Pravesh Karna.
Pravesh. You know the meaning of the Subhashita, right? I think we did it in the beginning of the class. Bhanu Mahodaya did it, right?
Not this one. I don't remember.
No.
Yeah, we have done it.
They have done this.
Don't remember. Siddh.
What is it? Siddh dhatu, is it?
Yeah.
Early prepared.
Siddhyanti. To accomplish, that is what it is in this context. Siddhyanti is to accomplish. You can't accomplish, you cannot accomplish anything without hard work. Udhyamena, with hard work alone can you accomplish something. Then pravishanti asimhasya mukhe. Nothing will enter the mouth of the simha, lion, just like that. You know, he has to hunt for his food.
Which Vaishatam is this?
That is what it means. Simhasya mukhe na mrugaha pravishanti. Animals will not enter simha's mouth, just like that. Suptasya simha is sleeping lion. Similar to that, simply by wishing, manorathaihi, only by wishing you cannot accomplish anything. You have to work hard. That's what it is. So Kriya Padam is Siddhyanti Pravishanti. Next, Namapadani. Identify Karotu.
Siddhyanti, Siddhi, Bhavanti. Siddhi, Bhavanti, Siddhyanti.
So Namapadam Kim?
Udyamena Manorathai.
Manorathaihi, is it Namapadam Karta?
That's a
Karyani.
vibhakti.
Karyani.
Is it? It is Vibhakti. Rathaihi sounds like Ramaihi, no?
Yeah, Karyani is the karta here, Mahodaya.
So look at Kriya Padam, there are two Kriya Padams. Pravishanti and Siddhyanti.
Mrugaha is a Kriya Padam.
Huh?
Mrugaha.
Kriya.
Sorry, Karta. Mrugaha.
Mrugaha pravishanti and karyani siddhyanti.
So Pravishanti, okay. Mrugaha Pravishanti. So two sentences or two separate Kriya Padams.
Yeah, Karyani Udyamena hi siddhyanti. Manorathaihi na siddhyanti. Yeah, Mahodaya, you have to use Karyani twice here. Karyani Udyamena hi siddhyanti. Karyani Manorathaihi na siddhyanti, right?
Yeah, Karyani Asmakam. For us, Vayam. Karyani. Karyani is Siddhyanti is many. So Karta will be Bahuvachanam because Siddhyanti.
Yeah, Mahodaya. Karyam
Karyani.
Right?
Prathama Vibhakti Karyani.
Yeah.
Bahuvachana.
Pullinga Bahuvachana.
Karyani. Correct. Karyani na Siddhyanti. Manorathaihi Karyani Siddhyanti.
Karyani is not
Kevalam
Pullinga.
Udyamenahi.
Karyani should be Napumsakalinga, no?
Yeah.
Karyani
Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana.
Yeah,
Karyani na
Napumsakalinga
Siddhyanti Kevalam Manorathaihi Karyani Siddhyanti Udyamenahi. That is the Anvaya. And next line is
Mrugaha Pravishanti.
Simhasya mukhe, Suptasya Simhasya mukhe, Mrugaha na pravishanti.
Suptasya Simhasya mukhe.
So, Mahodaya, Mrugaha Suptasya Simhasya mukhe nahi pravishanti. That is the
Nahi pravishanti. Indeed doesn't go into nahi. Indeed, it will not walk into the mouth of a lion. Walk into the mouth of a sleeping lion.
Suptasya simhasya mukhe
Sleeping lion.
nahi pravishyanti.
Yeah. So what is
So,
the Namapadam? Namapadam is Karyani and Mrigaha. Huh? Sorry?
Mrigaha.
The Simham also is a Namapadam, right?
No.
Simham is here, Simhasya. So it is.
No, it is
Shashti
Namapada, but
Vibhakti.
it's not
Yeah,
Karta.
Shashti Vibhakti. But
Don't use Namapada. No, everything is Namapada only.
Namapadam,
everything
correct.
in
Not
Simha-
Karta.
Karta.
Not Karta. Everything is
yeah, but
Namapadam.
Namapadam, when we take it as a Namapadam, Simham, Ruham, all
Correct,
those
correct.
things.
Correct. No,
Karta.
I just confused it for Karta. No, Karta is only for Pratama, no?
Yeah, that is.
So here Simhasya is Shashti. Yes, of course it's Namapadam. Correct. It has to be Namapadam or Kriyapadam. That's all.
Mruha.
Simhasya, then Mukhasya.
So again there is Visheshana Visheshya here. Suptasya Simhasya.
Suptasya Simhasya.
Visheshana Visheshana. Visheshya. Then Purusha of the Dhatu. Purusha of not Dhatu. What? Correct.
Correct. Pravishyanti because Mrigaha. Bahuvachana, na?
So this thing Purusha of Siddhyanti is Bahuvachana Prathama Purusha.
Pratama Vib.
And Latlakara. 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 Present tense. Both are Latlakaras. And of Namapadam, identify Udyamena is Tritiya Vibhakti. Then it is Pullinga Shabda, Ekavachana, Linga Vachanam Vibhakti. Linga is Pullinga, Vachanam is Ekavachanam, Vibhakti is Tritiya Vibhakti. Correct?
Tritiya.
Udyamena.
Meena. Tritiya.
Yeah, Samyak Mohde.
Tritiya.
And Manorathaihi. Prathama Purusha.
Also
You can
Tritiya,
try. One of you can
Bahuvachana.
try. Please try.
Which
Somebody try. Manorathaihi.
Pullinga Bahuvachana Tritiya.
Yeah. Pullinga Shabdaha. Bahuvachanaha. Bahuvachanam.
Tritiya. Yes,
And
Bahuvachanam. Tritiya
Vibhakti.
Vibhakti.
Next. What are those he and all?
No.
Avyaya.
Correct.
Is it right? Nahi.
Yeah. It doesn't change with Linga Vachana Vibhakti. So he is Avyaya. Next. Suptasya.
Suptasya is Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti Vibhakti. Linga. First Linga. Linga.
Supta.
Very simple, no? If it
Either
is,
Pullinga, either
Linga.
Pullinga.
yeah, if it is Pullinga only, it will be Sya. Or if it is
Because it's Simha,
Napumsakalinga.
so it's a Pullinga also,
Yeah.
right? It follows
Yeah.
the same.
Visheshanam
Simha
takes
Pullinga Shabda.
correct. It takes the form of Visheshya. Visheshanam. Visheshya Namapadam. Correct. So Simha, so Simhasya, so Suptasya, it will take that form. Simha is Pullinga Shabda, Shashti Vibhakti, Ekavachanam.
Ekavachana. It is.
Yeah. Mukhe,
Mukham Mukhe.
Mrigaha, Mukhe.
So that is Napumsakalinga. Mukham. He.
Okay, Saptami.
Correct.
Saptami, no?
Saptami Vibhakti. In
And
the mouth.
Dvitiya Vach. Dvitiya.
No.
No, sorry.
Priti?
Yes, not
Saptami
Driti,
ekvachana.
sorry.
Saptami vibhakti.
Saptami.
Ekvachana.
Saptami
Ekavachana. Like Rame Shabda. Like Rame or Phale. For Napumsaka Phale. Pravishanti is, we got it right. Lat lakara bahuvachana. Vish dhatu.
Yeah, pra upasarga.
Pra upasarga. I think that completes it, right?
Oh, no, there's number 5 still. And that's
number okay, why is it not moving?
number 5
The screen is not moving.
Mukha is what linga?
Mukham.
Pullinga.
Napusankalinga.
No, Pullinga.
I thought
I'm not-
Mukham is a Napusakalinga.
Mukham is one.
Even I thought.
Go.
I
Is
checked.
it
Yeah.
Mukha?
Mukha.
I think it is Napumsakalingam.
It just says noun.
Mukham, just check, no? In
Mukham.
Sanskrit, online Sanskrit dictionary, if you check, you will get it. Mukham, I think.
Yeah,
Yes, it says Napusakalinga. Napusakalinga.
It says
Yeah. Mukham is Napumsakalinga. Mukha. Napumsaka. N. So Napumsaka.
Neutral gender.
Yeah.
I think a lot of the body parts are Napusakalingam.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mahodaya, you're right. I did put Napumsakalinga, but it was in my pencil, so I didn't read. I read only the pen part, Pullinga. It is Napumsakalinga.
Yeah. So and I think that completes this thing. It's not. This is the end of it, right?
Yeah, that is the end.
Yeah.
No, there's
So,
something in number 5, I thought. Hold on.
No, nothing in 5.
no, nothing. I just checked.
Ranu
No?
Mahoday said it was a print mistake. It was a typo is what he said.
Oh no, I thought that was for something else. That was a 4 shabda that was given, not 5 for Ukaranta.
Oh, I understood it this way. So,
okay, so maybe, okay, number 5 he did.
It's not there. Number 5. I checked.
It's only 4 questions.
It's only 4 questions.
Just, yeah.
So I think that completes the homework. Any doubt here?
Also, no, number 2, if you look in the notes, for number 2, it says for 4, please note that a shloka or subhashtam can have more than, so he's just letting us know. Okay, all right, yeah.
It's
That's
just
fine.
some instructions given, that's all.
Yes, yeah.
So thank you so much. It was really helpful for me because I haven't.
Oh, it's
more than
helpful for me too.
I have some little clarity now. I was such a blank slate. I was not able to do my homework. So
No, that happens when 2 words are given. Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada, yes.
Thank you so much. Dhanyawadaha. Punarmilamaha.
I just I just wanted to do but not regarding Sanskrit, something else. I don't know if we can talk here or.
I'll stop the recording 1 second. Let me stop the recording. Get back to. Okay. What is this? Where do I go? Okay, let me enlarge this. Just quick. Stop.